Hi, my name's Emma from Ceiling Tiles UK, part of the Workplace Interiors Company group, and we're talking about the attributes that would affect the cost of your suspended ceiling. Number one, the edge detail. If you're looking at a square edge tile, this will be at the most popular budget end of the scale. You're looking at a tegular or micro look edge with a step or a concealed edge to hide the grid completely. This will increase the cost. The second factor, colour. Generally, suspended ceiling tiles come in white as standard and it's available off the shelf. We can also get black off the shelf, but be aware there would be a cost increase. And of course, we can source any other ceiling tile colour, always needing to factor in extra lead-in time and cost. Finally, if you're looking to order a full suspended ceiling kit, if you have multiple areas, one consideration is that you will need extra perimeter trim and also wastage allowance to cover all the cuts around each of the rooms. If you have any bespoke suspended ceiling kits that you would like a price on, please do get in touch with us directly, either by email or phone. Thank you very much for listening.